Hello, good day everyone. Today we are going to present about web programming PBT2. So, introducing myself. My name is Arun and my group members are Linnesshney and Harinesh. So the question given to us is you are currently undergoing industrial training at a hotel and a tourism management system. Your supervisor has requested you to develop a simple PHP program named Hotel Manager PHP to manage a hotel record file stored in a directory called hotel data. This system will assist the hotel administration in handling basic file and directory operation using PHP. So as you can see here, this is the client-side scripting using in Hotel Manager PHP. Client-side scripting we use for these PBT2 is HTML and CSS. Below is the coding and explanation for it. This is the client-side scripting used in HTML. The coding that you are seeing in the screen is now that we use for the PBT2, which is the HTML coding. This session of this code builds the user interface of the hotel management system. It begins with a title displayed using the H2 tag, followed by a container that holds a form of the receptionist. Inside the form, a label and a drop-down menu allow the receptionist to select file operations such as opening, renaming, counting characters, viewing directory contents, or deleting files. The required attribute ensures that an option must be chosen before submission. Finally, a submit button sends the selected choice to the server where the PHP script processes the requested operation. This is also one kind of a client-side scripting used in Hotel Manager PHP. Client-side scripting we use for this PHP2 is HTML and CSS. Below is the coding and explanation for it. This is the client-side scripting used in CSS. As you can see in front of the screen, this is the coding that we use for designing. So this CSS code controls the appearance of the hotel management system web page. The body selector sets overall font to Arial with a light gray background color and centers all the text of the page. The H2 selectors style in the mid heading by adding a black dotted underline, making it appear as an inline block and giving it a small bottom padding for spacing. The container class styles from a form blocks. It gives it a white background, a fixed width of 300 pixel and centers it on page with margin 50 pixel auto. It also adds 20 pixel of padding inside, a light gray border and a soft shadow, box shadow 2 pixel with a 10 pixel to make the container stand out visually.
Good afternoon, Ichikama. My name is Linnesshney. Now I'll be talking about server-side scripting used in Hotel Manager PHP. Server-side scripting we use for this PB2 is PHP and CS. Below is the coding and explanation for it. This is server-side scripting used in PHP. When the receptionist submits the form, the PHP code on the server runs and performs actions based on the selected mode. It first enters the hotel data directory access, and depending on the option it can create and write the guest list to a file, rename the file count, the total character list, all files in directory or delete files in the directory. All results including success or error messages are displayed dynamically on the web page for the users to see. And secondly, I'll be talking about explanation of each module for every program. So this is the first page for the hotel management system. And thirdly, there is a drop-down menu for the hotel management to select what they want to do. You can select open file, rename file, count characters, directory options, delete file, and directory. Also, when choosing open file, it shows guest list which help management to guest name. Submitting open file will be open in guest list text file. And choosing rename file option will rename the file to check-in guest text file. Choosing count characters will count how many characters are in the guest list text file. Thank you.
Let me introduce myself first. My name is Dinesh. So I'm going to explain about the expansion of each module for every program. So If you choose the choosing the deleted option will show well files and hotel data locates as the show in the image below. And then choosing count characters will count how many characters in the guest list is the. So for now, it's the total character is 117. So choosing delete file and directory will rename the file to archive and delete it successfully. So as they shown in the image above, we know that archive is renamed and deleted successfully. Right now, I'm going to explain how you can construct a secure coding to your program. So for now, we added the input validation when we don't choose any file mode. Validation will come out saying please select an item in the list. And then there's a coding for the hotel data and guest list, which is to ensure all pairs remain within a project directory and implement another access. And then if someone else try to open the file, we just read the coding to the only the authorized belong the file name. So avoid the explicit error handling and logging silent failures. Finally, the coding also converts special characters to HTML entities, preventing scripts from executing in the browser, and requires free deletes only internet files for folders, avoiding accidental system file deletion.